So this is a pretty cute portable power station. This is probably the smallest, most portable power station that I have seen. This was sent to me so I could try it out and make this video. And I've got to say, while I usually test out much larger power stations, there is a lot of benefit to something as small as this. Before I show you how I use this, let me show you what you get out of the box. Here's a closer look at the power station. I do want to point out it is LifePO4. So you get an adapter for charging for the car, or you can use this adapter to plug into the portable power station to use the power from that. Here is the power supply. So output of 15 volts and 2.4 amps. So this is obviously quite small, but the nice thing about that, it is very lightweight and very portable as well. You've got your 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C, and a single AC output. So let's go ahead and plug this into power. Your battery meter indicates roughly what level of charge you're at and that it is charging, and then it says what the input is. I've got this light that I can plug in to demonstrate what the output looks like here. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Then we'll press the AC button to turn that on. So we've got AC on. We'll plug this in, and here we've got the light here. It will say what the output is. So we're running at 56 watts. This is at 100% for the light. So as I adjust the light and turn it down, you can see that the AC output is also being adjusted. So it is real nice that you know everything that's going on here, including USB. Let me go ahead and plug in my electric razor so you can see what that looks like on the screen as well. So we've got my electric razor charging, and then if you look over here to the USB, we're charging at about 4 watts. One thing I would like to point out is I did some tests on this and I plugged in multiple USB devices at the same time, and it seems like it has a limit of about 20 watts. So for that reason, it's probably best to only plug in 1 or 2 USB devices at a time. This has about 120 watt hours and 150 watts of power, which makes this absolutely perfect for something like a laptop computer and a portable monitor or something like that. One of the really nice things about this is it has a display for everything on at the same time, so you know exactly what's going on. If you have it plugged into USB, AC, DC, you can read that all at the same time, as well as the input. On the back here, there is a light, so you just press that to turn it on. It's actually fairly bright, and you can make it blink if you want to, because why not? And you can do the good old SOS signal. So if you had this in your car and you needed help, it was at night, you could just put this on the top of your car, put that light on, and give the signal. Probably wouldn't happen a whole lot, but what I actually do use this for a lot is I have young boys, they all play on their tablets when we go on vacation or travel, and they always want to keep their tablets fully charged. With this, you can do that. It keeps everything charged. So that's one really nice thing with this, is you can just keep it in the car. You can charge all your devices. You can charge your smartphone multiple times with this. Another way I use this is with home projects. There are times where I need to turn off the circuit breaker because I'm working on electrical, but I still need light. I can plug the light directly into this, so I have light. I can work on the project with the power off. So if you are looking for the ultimate portable power station, this is it. Really small, really nice, perfect for computers, tablets, smartphones, that sort of thing.